What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the FMS new crawlers. It's called the FCX24. So this is a 1/24th crawlers. Now let's unbox it. Wow, look at it. Small crawlers. 4-channel transmitters. And this is a gift. Randoms, variable accessories. No, this is a spare tires, chargers, and some other stuffs. Here is a manual. Wow, let's look at it. The small crawlers. The prototype is a Dodge semi-truck. Look at it. It's a portal axles. It has a portal axles, and I think the wheels are metals. It's so heavy. And look at these small servos. It has 2-speed, high and low. I don't know where is the batteries. These are stickers. If you like, you can put the spare tires on it, but the quality performance will be lower. Now let's look at. It has a headlights, low beam, high beam, just it. And it didn't have the steering lamp. Slow speed, neutral gears, high speed. Look at the small servos, gear servos. Low speed, high speed. By the way, you can change the running mode. Now this is a crawlers running mode, front and rear. If you switch here to the down positions, here is a front, brake, and rear. So I like the crawling mode. And it even can change the drag brakes. Now this is a 0 drag brakes. If you put the 3 and 4 to up positions, it's 100% drag brake. By the way, I had the actual bodies. Now this is a yellow one, so I can change it to it. Look at the interiors. The small batteries, ESC and receivers all in one. Now this is a 130s brushed motors. I think you can change a bigger one if I had the oh, it didn't have the extra spaces. You should cut it off if you want to have a 180 motors. Look at it, so small. Portal Axios, I love it.